If you want to know how to get your plantain from this to this, then keep on watching. Thank you so much for joining us today. This is Tasty Jamaica. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we have a lot of delicious Jamaican recipe and a lot of tutorial videos like this one. So let's just get straight into it. So first things first, you're gonna want to grab your green plantain. All right, so here I have 2 plantains. I'll show you exactly in detail how to get it. So first things first, you want to go ahead and cut the tips off. All right, and then you see the plantain. I'm gonna show y'all. So you see how the lines of the plantain go down like that? All the lines just going straight down. I believe everything is made for a specific way to be cut or peeled or anything. So this is the correct way to peel your plantain. So those lines, you're gonna go in with the knife and you're gonna slit down them. All right, so as closely along the line as you can. You can use a smaller knife for this, or whichever knife you have. Just go ahead and use the knife and glide down each line on the plantain. I'm telling you, this works for every single plantain, every single time. I don't care if you're doing 5, 6 plantain, it's gonna work. All right, so just go ahead and glide down the lines, and then you're gonna want to go ahead and guide your thumb through the plantain. So you see, like, just watch what I'm doing, and then it's just gonna glide off the skin. All right, so when you're peeling it, you want to make sure that you take your time at the tip and just remove the skin a little bit from the top, and then it's perfect. It's no plantain left in it. All right, so you see how I'm doing there? Just go ahead and put your finger in the top part, and then it's just gonna glide it off. All right, works every single time, guys. And for the lines down the plantain, it doesn't matter how close they are together. You want to still go ahead and slit those because it makes it so much easier to get it out, these skin. All right, so it could be like one line within 1 inch of each other. You still want to go ahead and slit down that line, okay? And see, all the skin is clean. There's no plantain left in there. You know, I just find that any other way you peel your plantain, you won't be butchering it, and you won't start with 2 plantain and end up with 1. And we don't have time for that. All right, so perfectly peel your plantain. I'll show you again how you do it. So the lines there, you're gonna cut down each of those lines. Okay, and again, it doesn't matter how close the lines are together. You still want to go ahead and slit down those because it just makes it so much easier to get the plantain out the skin. So you see, those lines are like 1 inch apart, and I still went ahead and slit down each of those lines. All right, and this works for bananas too. So if you want to peel your bananas, you know, if you're gonna boil green bananas and you want to figure out how to peel it, it's the same way. All right, so go ahead and just use your finger, like at the top, gently guide it off, right? And then it's just gonna you're just gonna run your finger through there and guide the skin off of there, and it just glides off. So easy, perfection, I'm telling y'all. So you see how I just gently like peel back the top there, and it just slide right off. Works every time. You get to enjoy all your plantain and nothing left in the skin. All right, guys, if you love video like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because we come in with these amazing videos every single week. All right, my loves, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps you in peeling your plantain and you never have to butcher them again. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share with your friends in case they want to know how to peel their plantain too. And until next time, guys, stay blessed. I love y'all so much.